Welcome to the SailSavvy channel. This is your host Magnus with Captain Cognac co-hosting. Today we're putting together a couple of convertible tables for the boat. Stay tuned. While my own LM32 is about as close to my ideal boat as a monohull in my price range can get, two items on my list of potential improvements involve tables. The factory salon table is huge, way too big for what I want to use the salon for. I don't anticipate ever having to seat 6 people. So on my boat, the factory table eventually ended up gone. The pilot house, with its incredible view through big windows all around, has no table or even a single horizontal surface to place a coffee cup near the wheel. The first attempt at a swing-out table revolved around a cheap wall mount for a small TV or monitor. The idea was great, but the fully extended range proved to be way too limited. Instead, I settled on this product aimed at the RV market. It's available in various brands and quality ranges. I picked mine up at Amazon for around $100. It's not amazing quality, but it's lightweight, practical, and does the job. It takes a bit of positioning the entire contraption before settling on a suitable spot for the mounting plate. In my case, a spacer would be required to provide enough clearance for rotation. One of my favorite low-cost construction materials is cheap dollar store cutting boards. 3 pieces were required to get the adequate spacing. They're easily cut with a table saw or circular saw. They can be drilled, but with a little bit of effort. It's a pretty hard material. Use the backing plate as a template for drilling the holes in your boat and make sure to check behind where you're going to be drilling. Once in place, it can be raised, lowered, swung, rotated to reach a variety of positions. I've ordered another mounting plate as well, so the entire contraption can be easily moved to the salon for an additional table surface there. A nicer, slightly smaller tabletop needs to be produced. This temporary one is a bit too big and not particularly visually pleasing. When not in use, the hardware can easily be tucked away against the bulkhead as pictured. So let's go back to the salon. To provide an immediate small amount of table space, a fold-up or down table just large enough for a laptop and a mouse would suffice in the short term. Such tables can be found ready-made at IKEA, Amazon, etc. I opted to procure these locking pivoting brackets and combine with my own tabletop. A more traditional piano hinge and a fold-out support could also be adopted. Thank you for watching this episode of our Do-It-Yourself series from SailSavvy.org. Myself, Magnus, and Captain Cognac are standing by on channel SailSavvy.